Is it the right time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we'll be diving deep into SPY. We previously shared a report on our website on Friday, December 15, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Don't miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 2, 2023, our system has identified SPY as a promising investment, giving it a score of 1.46. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a notable gain of 8.97%. This means it has delivered an average daily return of 0.29% since it was classified as a buy candidate. In the short term, the ETF is currently in a weak rising trend. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the top trend line at $472.62 is broken, it may indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 9.07% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between 0.363% and 9.83%. Moving on to the 12-month trend, it indicates a 16.23% change over the next 12 months. This could result in a potential return between 3.92% and 16.95%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $487.75 to $548.90 after a year. Our latest update on the SPY ETF reveals a weaker technical forecast, as it has been downgraded to a buy candidate. On the last trading day, Friday, December 15, 2023, the SPY ETF price experienced a decrease of 0.566%, going from $472 to $469.33. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.696%, reaching a low of $467.43 and a high of $470.68. In the past 10 days, the price of the ETF has risen in 6 instances, resulting in a 2.23% increase over the last 2 weeks. Although volume has increased by 4 million shares on the last day, it occurred amidst falling prices. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 118 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to a value of around $55.19 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $473.73, while the lowest price was $374.77. Currently, the price is 0.93%, equivalent to $4.40, below the 52-week high and 2.22%, equivalent to $10.65, below the all-time high on January 4, 2022, when the price reached $479.98. Today, we'll be looking at the signals for SPY. The ETF is showing mixed signals at the moment. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, causing the ETF to fall by -0.566%. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently indicating a sell signal. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could be an early warning sign that the ETF should be monitored closely. However, both the short-term and long-term moving averages suggest a positive forecast for the stock. There is also a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. If the ETF corrects downwards, there will be support at $465.17 and $447.93. However, if it breaks below these levels, sell signals will be triggered. In the long-term chart, the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023. This rare combination occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line meet. It is often followed by significant and sustained gains for the ETF. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence-divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots also suggest a sell signal, which occurred 2 days ago. The Bollinger signal shows a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 9 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average shows a buy signal 32 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 29 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart. The short moving average suggests a buy signal 32 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 26 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 15 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for SPY. Let's start with the downside. The ETF finds support just below today's level at $429.54 and $426.43, based on accumulated volume. When a support level is tested, there is a natural risk involved. If it gets broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, SPY finds support just below today's level at $429.54. If that level is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $426.43 and $412.55. Overall, the ETF tends to have controlled movements and good liquidity, which makes the risk considered very low in this stock. Looking at the last day, the ETF had a range of $3.25 between the high and low, which is equivalent to 0.696%. Over the past week, the daily average volatility of the ETF was 0.89%. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for SPY. If the market shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $470.44. If you're not currently holding any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering entering a position. On the other hand, if you already own the stock, this resistance level could be a good opportunity for swing trading. Now, let's talk about the downside. SPY encounters its first support level at $429.54. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound in the near future. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $456.59, which represents a decrease of 2.71%. This ETF is known for its low daily movements, resulting in a lower risk for investors. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed just 1 day ago. Is SPY ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and a general upward trend, indicating a potential buying opportunity for SPY ETF. However, we have slightly downgraded our conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price may be overvalued. For Monday, December 18th, we anticipate SPY to open with a decrease of $0.185, starting at $469.15. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing and utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our stock analysis. We'd love to hear your opinion, so please comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have in mind for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe if you find this information helpful. Our team at StockInvest wishes you success in your trades and a wonderful day.